ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Great men often hold powers that are beyond this world, and powers that can be considered divine. Through such powers, they have the ability to change the world around them. Such powers are often called miracles. Param Pujya Acharya Bhavan Shri Siddhi Surishwarji Maharaj was once such divine soul, and due to his immense powers, several miraculous incidents happened around him. When something that is beyond our imagination and understanding happens right in front of our eyes, all we can do is surrender. Surrender ourselves completely to the energy of the great soul. One of the powers of Dada was Vachan Siddhi, literally meaning the power of the spoken word. Everything he said came true. His words manifested into reality. Pranam and welcome to the episode 12 of Babji, the divinity that lives on. Today, we are going to share a story which happened when Dada's physical presence graced this world. This story was shared by the grandson of Param Pujya Upadhyayji Dharma Vijayji Maharaj Sahib, who took Diksha under Babji Dada. The story is from the time when Upadhyayji Maharaj Sahib was still in Sansar. His worldly name was Mafatlal Jethalal. After getting his children married, he retired from his worldly duties and spent most of his time at Vidyashala, the sadhana tirth of Dada, located in the Pole area of Ahmedabad. He renounced 6 vigai and took the 12 vows needed to become a Sushrava. He was also a Pandit of Sanskrit and Prakrit. He spent most of his time with Babji Dada while helping the Yankar Sahibjis in their education. His biggest responsibility was to become the Uttar Sadhak of Dada, that is, to help Dada while he was doing his sadhana. When Dada stepped into the basement of Vidyashala for his meditation, Mafatlalji stayed there in order to ensure that everything was in order. During that time, plague engulfed the city of Ahmedabad. The infected person would get a high fever along with a boil emerging in the armpit, and before anyone would have a chance to do anything, the infected person would succumb to the disease. It was as, or probably more contagious as COVID-19. Having lived through the pandemic, we all know the terror of a disease. In those times, people were terrified of being near the infected one. In today's times, with all the medical facilities available, we are still petrified of contagious diseases. Can you imagine how terrifying it would have been in those times when limited medical assistance was available? Unfortunately, Jethalal, Mafatlal's father, caught the plague. Mafatlal, who at the time was staying at Vidyashala, was informed by his mother about his father's critical condition. His mother requested him to come and tend to his father. On hearing about his father's condition, Mafatlal immediately started preparing to go to his father. When his wife received the news that her husband had decided to go and tend to his father who was suffering from plague, many men implored her husband to rethink his decision. She was scared for his life. She begged him and tried to reason with him, but all in vain. When nothing worked, Maryben rushed to Bapji Dada and told him the entire story. She asked Dada to stop her husband. She was terrified that her husband would be infected and lose his life to the disease. She pleaded with Dada to make her husband understand and convince him not to go. Dada, in his deep and serene voice, replied, "Many, don't worry about Muffat. Let him go and tend to his father. Don't stop him. Nothing will happen to him. Nothing happens to the people around him." And of course, Maryben could not go against the word of Dada. She let her husband go. Mafatlal rushed to his father's side and tended to him for 3 days. Though his father passed away, Mafatlal was absolutely fine. Nothing happened to him, just like Dada had said. Everyone in the family was shocked to see Mafatlal in perfectly healthy state. Something impossible, something that was beyond everyone's logic and understanding happened with Mafatlal. And all because of the divinely powerful Dada. Oh Dada, I now know that nothing in my life is impossible with you, with me. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Sadgurubhyo Namaha.